Hello and welcome to my creative space. Claudia here today with you. Welcome. I hope I can give you some insight and maybe some inspirations while we're going through my little room, my little crafty heaven, as I call it. As you can see, it's a different color than you would probably normally see. I've had an aqua blue before, but now I opted for a nice coral dream space. So as you can see, all the furniture is from IKEA. I actually built it together all by myself. On the left and right hand side we have two identical shelves. And this is my main working area, as you can see. It does have all the important tools on the table, so it's within easy reach. And it's a setup with several cubes. As you can see, there's lots and lots of drawers, and all these drawers are labeled with my label maker. So we take a closer look. Here, for example, I keep all my punches, and to the left side some tools, trimmers, watercolors, even cut files, and of course my inks. Then if you turn around, you will see something else which I use again and again. That's my washi container and my ever-growing collection of stencils. So that's the opposite side of the main area. Now this is a smaller table which I use as my sewing table, and it is smaller. The depth is only I think a foot or something more. And again, it is labeled, my threads and all my buttons and whatever else I need to create with a sewing machine. Above, we can see a little display of my cards. And to the right-hand side, another little shelf, which, I had in my bathroom before, but it now houses some eye candy, breads, gold flakes, etc. Here are some of my favorite tools. The selfie, my scissors, and my little cutting machine, and again my stencils, I can't live without them, and the swiveling setup for the tools, and of course my sidekick, my heat gun, and the blending brushes. That's the little tour, a few more close-up pictures, and I hope you have enjoyed the tour. See you again soon.